Welcome to our next session. English lesson 2 shadows. We completed the lesson explanation, new words and question and answer. Now we are going to do the exercise. First exercise is write true or false. In the textbook, exercise number 2, page number 15. Page number 15. Here, first one is shadows. First statement is shadows can change, change, change shape. Dash. Is this correct statement correct, true or false, children? Shadows can change shape. The morning one is, noontime one is, and evening also it is changing. So the answer is true. According to the time, our shadows will change. Then number 2. You can play shadow tag all alone. Is this statement is correct or false? You can play shadow tag alone. Can you play? No, you should have the group of people. So that is false. We need the group of people. We can't play alone. So the statement is wrong. Answer is false. Number 3. We can't see any shadows at night. See the statement, children. We can't see any shadows at night. We can play. What are the things we need? One object and a flashlight. With the help of flashlight, we can see the shadows. So the statement is false. Here the statement is saying that we can't see, it seems, but we can see. Number 4. Shade and shadow mean the same. Dash. See the question, children. Shade and shadow mean the same thing. Here saying that shadow and shade are same. Is it correct? No. Shadow is the getting the reflection. Shade is the under the tree we are sitting. That is the shade. We are getting the shade. Shadow is reflection of anything. That is shadow. So the statement is false. That is different thing. Different meaning we are getting for shade and shadow. Then number 5. Something must block light to make a shadow. See the statement, children. Something must block light to make shadow. The answer is correct. Answer is true. Something must block in the light, through the light. Then only we will get the shadow. Then number 6. A shadow is the same size as the object making it. Here, a shadow is the same size as the object making it. It depends on the size of the thing varies. The shadows will be shared. If we are showing the big object, shadow will be big object. If we are showing the small object, the shadow will be the small. So, this statement is wrong. So, the answer is false. 7th one. When the sun is overhead, shadows are long and skinny. Here, when the sun is overhead, shadows are long and skinny. You see, children, the morning time and evening time, when the shadows will be long and skinny, thin type. Then, but in the noon time, the sun will be overhead of us. The sun will be overhead of us. That time, the shadow will be short and fat. So, the statement is false. So, repeat once again, children. Shadows can change shape. The statement is true. You can play shadow tag alone. False. We can't see any shadows at night. That is false. Shade and shadow mean the same thing. That is different. So, the answer is false. Something must block light to make a shadow. That is true. We should need the light. A shadow is the same size as the object making it. That is false. When the sun is overhead, shadows are long and skinny. So, this is wrong statement. Answer is false. When we are getting this long and skinny shadows, morning and evening. Okay, children? The next exercise is 3rd one. Tick the right box to match each word with its meaning. Textbook page 50. Here we are getting a statement and we should match the options of meanings. We should match the correct meaning. The question is, the word Block means BLOCK, block means first one is to keep something, KEP, keep something, SOME, something from passing through. The second option is to hit with a piece of wood, stone or metal, or metal. The third option is an area in a city having a street going all around it. Here the question is, the word block means to keep something from passing through, to hit with a piece of wood, stone or metal, an area in a city having a street going all around it. The correct answer is block means we are blocking something. That is the correct answer. The correct answer is to block, to keep something from passing through. The second one is the word tag means. What is the meaning of tag? Three options you are getting. The first option is a children's game. Second one is to follow closely, CLOSELY, closely behind someone, behind someone. Next option is a piece of paper, piece of paper fastened to something, fastened to something. Here the question is, the word tag. Tag means it's a children's game. To follow closely behind someone, a piece of paper fastened to something. Which is the correct answer? It is a children's game. Okay, children? Third one. The question is, the word light. Light means, the word light means, first option is not heavy, Second one is moving easily. Third one is something that let us see more easily. Let us see more easily. Here see children, the word light. Light means not heavy. Then moving easily. Third option is something that lets see more easily. When in the dark room, if with the help of the light, we can visible more. That is something that let us see more easily. The fourth one is the word bump. The word bump means first option is to collide with. We collide with. Then second option is to move along in jerk and bounces. In jerks and bounces. Number 3, the third option is to raise something above the ground. Above the ground. Children, listen. The word bump means to collide with. We are hitting with someone. To move along in jerks and bounces. We are pushing to someone. To raise something above the ground. From the ground it is raising. So the bump word means to collide with. So collide with the correct answer. These are the third exercise, children. Next exercise, word power, textbook page 16. The first one is find from, F-I-N-D, find from the lesson the opposites of the following words. First one is, see the question, children. Find from the lesson the opposites of the following words. The first one is rarely. Rarely opposite is often. Rarely opposite is often. The next, number 2, leads. When we are leads the any competition, that is opposite is last. Lead last. Then number 3, darkness. D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. Darkness. Darkness means light. Number 4, dull. Dull means bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Number 5, together. Together. Together opposite, alone. Alone. Number 6, inside. Inside opposite, outside. Inside, outside. Number 7, same. Different. Same thing, different things. Different. Number 8, skinny. Skinny opposite, fat. Number 9, long. Long opposite, short. Number 10, familiar. Opposite, strange. These are the opposites words, children. Once again, rarely, often. Rare means sometimes, often means always. Leads, last. Leads means going front, last means going back. Darkness, light. Darkness means no light, this is light. Dull, bright. Sun is bright and moonlight is dull. Together, alone. Together, family, together. You are alone. Like inside, outside. Inside the house, outside the house. Same, different. Same means looking like same. Different means looking like different. Skinny, fat. Skinny means thin. Fat means thick. Then long, short. Long answer, short answer. Familiar, strange. Familiar means always. Strange means once upon a time. Now we completed these exercises, children. You learn the lesson and read the lesson and write classwork book. Write in the classwork book and in the homework book. Okay, children. Thank you.